Pumpkin Farm, my viewers and subscribers. This is what going on, my viewers. This is what going on, my viewers. Whoa! Watch what Kevin does. As you can see, when you're talking about farming, you have to talk about man like Kevin.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Hey, what's going on, my viewers and my subscribers? Welcome back to another episode. In this video, it's all about, I'm going to show you how serious Kevin is when it comes to farming. You know what I mean? Stick and stay. And if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell and let me eat the mango, alright? Alright, my viewers, tell you something, show you something about this man them called Kevin the Farmer. This guy is a very hard-working guy, you know what I mean? Yes. And he's very serious about his farming. As you can see, there was a whole fence here, but it was only barbed wire. It was only barbed wire, as you can see. And trust me, watch what Kevin does. As you can see, he go along and he put in some new posts, yeah. And as you can see, post is there already, but he go in and he put in some new posts, yeah, right down the line. And as you can see, he have some hog wires. He have some hog wires running here, so not even the goat kid can go through this wire here. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, you don't know it's all about farming. This is how. All right, look on the whole fence here. The whole fence here is down. So he don't look at the whole fence. He said, look, we need a new fence here. This is how serious Kevin is. So right now, if you have another guy just like Kevin right here on this farm, trust me, yeah, wonders. It would be wonders here. He's doing a lot. And he's just him and I and himself alone. You know what I mean? Yeah. So you don't know me, viewers. When you're talking about farming, you have to talk about man like Kevin. Yeah. So take my word for it. He's a very hard-working person. Yeah, don't watch my words. My words don't lapse, it just collapse at times. Alright? So yes, my viewers, as you can see, the fencing. Alright, this you can see the barbed wire here. I'm gonna show you the barbed wire. It was only barbed wire here. It was only barbed wire here. So he said, no man, this fence didn't get whole. Don't need any goat to come in or any cow. So he put in a new fence, put in some new posts, put in some hog wires around it. And he do it right along. He do it right along the stretch. Right along the stretch, go right round the property. Trust me, if there was one more person just like Kevin, everything would be well. You know what I mean? So yeah, this video here is all about Kevin. Very hard working, you know? Yeah, man. If you see Kevin and he say he's tired and he's taking a 5, he's really tired, you know? And he's really taking a 5, you know what I mean? Sometimes it doesn't catch the 5. 4 3/4 and he's gone again. You know what I mean? So when he sees something like this, he keeps smiling when he see the tractor here. And when he look and see the bulldozer on the other hand, he said, whoa. He smiled. It's all about farming. You know? When it comes to farm, Kevin don't really farm because of money. It is something that he loves, you know what I mean? Yes, I tell you. We see it in him, you know? So that's the reason why I always try to stick around him. Because by sticking around him, I can get some clips. I can do some videos, you know what I mean? Yeah, because he always have something going. Yeah, I'm gonna go by the pumpkin farm to show you what's going on with the pumpkin farm. Over there is a new pumpkin farm. So by a couple months from now, over there is gonna full of pumpkin. So my viewers, stick and let me show you the pumpkin farm. Alright? This is what's going on the pumpkin farm, my viewers and subscribers. This is what's going on, my viewers and my subscribers. This is what's going on, my viewers and my subscribers. This is what going on, my viewers and subscribers. This is what going on, my viewers. 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 As you can see, my viewers and subscribers, I don't have hand and I don't have enough finger to count to show you what's going on here. But as you can see with your naked eyes, you don't have to use glass to see what's going on. This is Kevin work. If you understand what I'm saying to you. All these are Kevin work. You know what I mean? Yeah. Just take a note of it. Just take a note of this, my viewers. All these here, Kevin work. Kevin work. Tell me if he's not hard working. Just leave it in the comment box for me. Alright? Please and thanks. Tell me what's going on, what you think about Kevin. What you think about Kevin if he mean business. You think he mean business? This is just the tail end of the pumpkin farm. You know what I mean? Tell me what's going on. Yeah? Tell me what's going on. Tell me what's going on. If I go up there, there's too much to show you. But I'm going to go there and show you what's going on. Look on the pumpkin vine here. Look on the pumpkin vine here. Whoa! Tell me what's going on. Tell me what's going on. Tell me what's going on. I'm going to show you a huge one here. Tell me what's going on. Yeah, tell me what's going on. My viewers, tell me what's going on. There's too much to show you. Alright, look here, look here. Whoa! There's too much to show you, my viewers. I don't want to go any further. I'm going to do a full video on this. And you understand? I'm not going to go any further. There is too much to show you what's going on here. So stick around. I'm going to give you a full video of the pumpkin farm. Give you an update video, alright? So yes, my viewers. It's all about pumpkin. Alright? Kevin is doing a wonderful job here. A wonderful job, you know what I mean? Wonderful job here. There is pumpkin everywhere you think of. You name it. Everywhere you think of, there is pumpkin. Stick and stay, because I'm going to do a video of this. Of the pumpkin farm. Very soon. Alright?
Jamaican.
Whoa. Every time I try to move, I see a bigger one.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn. Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We a plant sweet pepper, we a plant pear yam. Ready, we ready, ready, we ready. Ready, like Freddy. Outstanding, big and broad. Jamaican farmers up gone abroad. We a move from bud to Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We a plant pumpkin and we a plant some corn. Ready, we ready, and a gone, we gone. We a plant sweet pepper, we a plant pear yam. Ready, we ready, ready, we ready. Ready, 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 ready like Freddy. Outstanding, big and broad. Jamaican farmers up gone abroad. We a move from bud to bud. Banana start to ripe, a time we get good. Jamaican farmers. Hot.
But I'm not gonna go there. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it for the video. Alright? Some of you and my subscribers, stick around to see the next video coming out on the pumpkin farm. See? Big up on yourself. Love and manners to you all, my viewers and my subscribers and my unsubscribers.